Hey everyone, today's vlog is a full room tour at the Viv Hotel just a few miles away from Disneyland. A good neighbor hotel resort, and we loved it. Let's get to the tour. Hey everybody, today we are doing a room tour. We're at the Viv Hotel right a few miles away from Disneyland in Southern California, Anaheim. And we wanted to share this room with you. We've stayed here for 4 days and we've absolutely loved it. As you walk into the room, which we didn't expect and didn't ask, they actually have 2 bunks. Though we didn't bring the kids this time, next time I think this would be perfect for our family's needs. In fact, we sent video back to them and the kids are all ready to come check this hotel out. There are USB ports and little lighting spaces in here in each of the bunks, so you can charge the top bunk there. Then you also have USB ports and plugs, lights right next to the bed. There are little drawers on each side of the bed for storage. Mind you, we've already stayed in this room for 4 days, so this bed's a little bit messy, but here and then in between, more storage, the phone, portfolio of all the different hotels this type all around the world, but different lights as well, plugs in the middle. That headboard light was a really nice touch, especially at night. You're not going to be able to see it, but it goes the whole length of the room, which is really, really cool. All right, and here's that second bed. More lighting on both sides. Take a full look around. Plenty of space, super clean, smells great. Also, one of my favorite spots in the whole room is this chair right here. You can see out, and I don't know if you can see, but right out there is where the angels play and then the ducks play right there. So if you're not here for Disney, but you're for sporting events, this is a perfect room for you. The mountains out there, which were absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful views. Now, unfortunately, this particular room, 1029, is not a Disneyland view. You can get views on the other side of the resort or the hotel here, but they do cost extra and you have to book those well in advance. Thermostat there. Also more USB ports. Plenty of lighting, and I love the touch. We've got Disney, Mickey Mouse there. So even though you're not on property, you still get a Disney vibe throughout the hotel, and we'll show you more of that. Also, probably about a 40 to 45 inch TV. Ice bucket, coffee. Went down to the foyer and asked them, and they more than happy to grab us more. So coffee there. Also a mini fridge in here, and then plenty storage there. These chairs pull out, so we had a few late night meals there. This is really nice. Let's come over here to the open space. Light comes on, plenty of hangers, extra bedding, ironing board. And then on this other side, which we really enjoyed because, well, we've already used these, but these are nice robes that you can use while you're staying. Iron, and then a safe there. And then plenty of drawer space. So if you're here for a week, I think you'll be fine. Plenty of space. All right, let's look back this way. Also, this is a little seating area right as you look, and a full mirror there as you're heading out. But then also, here is the bathroom. Kleenex here. This little mirror was always cool because super close, detailed, then also great lighting here. I thought this was a cool touch, just so you can hang up stuff. Teen already has her robe up there from our stay. I've never seen in a hotel as well. You can, not that you want to on vacation, but jump on the scale. We have plenty of towels. There's also drawers in here. Both sides. Plugs in there. And then you do have the hair dryer. And of course the bathroom or the shower is a little bit dirty right now because we've used it. But they did provide shampoos. And then 2 different variations of shower, which we've enjoyed in the bathtub. So very clean. Toilet right there. We absolutely enjoyed our stay here. I'll also put a link as well as the full tour of this resort, rooftop pool, so you want to check that as well. But we just wanted to show you what inside the room is, and this is room 1029 at the Viv Hotel, just a few blocks from Disneyland. Thank you again for joining us. If you've enjoyed this content, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Keep you in the loop of any time we drop new travel content. Also, if you want more information, here is the link to a full resort tour of the Viv Hotel in Anaheim, California.